There is enough daylight out, so I'm probably gonna... Yes, this is my 2021 remake of this fan. Because I did premiere this fan on the last day of 2020. But sometimes I just want to remake this video of this fan for 2021. And no, I will not be premiering this video because a lot of people comment on my videos saying the N-word, so I'm trying to stop them, but they always keep coming. And I'm pretty sure you know who it is, Sleepy Sleepy. Anyway, medium. Sorry about that conversation, but that's what I would tell you. You know, I still got some premieres coming up for the holidays. The issue about this fan is that, look how high it is right now. It's like way up to the ceiling, because it has no down rod. And this floor is about, what, I would say 6 feet. So yeah. I don't know why they did that. I guess there's the top of the fan. Yes, there is enough daylight. I can now finally show the light on and off. Alright, that's it, people. Hope you guys liked it.